Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer your files from your iPhone to your PC very easily. No iCloud or iTunes are needed. Run cmd as administrator, then start typing this command. The following command is we are registering a new user account in your computer. The word transfer here is the username. The 1234 is the password. Now you need to find your IPv4 IP address, open cmd again and run the following command. Make note of your IPv4 IP address. Make sure both your PC and iPhone device is connected to the same network SSID. Click Connect to Server and enter your IPv4 IP address. Click the Connect button. Click on the registered user and enter the username and password that you have created in cmd. Voila, now you can see the transfer folder which you've created on your computer desktop, and the folder should be empty.
Okay, now after you've established the connection from your PC to your iPhone, after you've set up stuff, I'm going to show you how you're going to transfer files from your iPhone to your PC and vice versa, from PC to iPhone as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna choose a file. Say I'm gonna share this video to my PC. How am I gonna do this? Right at the bottom corner, there's the share button. Okay, send to, and then I'm gonna choose save to files. This, and as you can see, this is the 192.68 blah blah blah. That's my established network that we have just established on our PC. So I'm gonna click that, and you will be able to see the transfer folder, and I'm gonna hit save button. Okay, and as you can see above there, it shows it is currently loading. So that means it is now being wirelessly transferring the video files to my PC. On my PC folder, it's gonna be in this, as you can see. Alright, right now it is being transferring. Okay, it is now being transferring, and now voila, boom. So once you see all of that, so that means the video has been transferred. It has been transferred wirelessly. Now I can, as you can see, now the preview opens. If I double click, the video should now be able to play. Okay, the video should be playable. Alright, so I'm gonna do another video. Okay, say this one. I'll click the share button. I'm gonna save to files. Okay, choose the server address. I'm gonna choose the transfer, and I'm just gonna hit the save button. As you can see up there, here you will see a loading. All you gotta do is just wait. Okay, it's what this will do. It will transfer your files. Okay, it will transfer the video wirelessly to your PC. All right, and it depends on the size as well. All right, so let's see on PC. All right, so it's done. All right, here as you can see now, it has 2 videos. Okay. All right, so yeah, this is how we do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.